Good afternoon, everybody. This is the CDL Class A pre-trip inspection examination video. CDL Mentors, Truck Driving School, Lake Charles and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Would you like to receive in your inbox every day the 5 sections that you need to prepare for your CDL Class A pre-trip driving inspection examination? Then please stay tuned to the end of this mercifully short video, where in a few short moments, I'm going to be telling you all about our very special bumper-to-bumper bundled offer, which will tell you how to prepare for and pass successfully the CDL Class A pre-trip inspection examination. So this is going to be in bite-sized lesson overviews of a few short minutes each and every day, Monday to Friday. This is Herman Marigny III, CEO and the owner of CDL Mentors Truck Driving School. Together with his experienced CDL instructors, they are here to show you how to pass your CDL Class A pre-trip inspection examination with absolute certainty. So follow me each day through our 10-part free video training series, where I, together with my highly experienced instructors, will be showing you why we have over a 93% success rate. So, ready, let's begin. In the previous video, we took care of the 5 main elements of the pre-trip Class A inspection examination, which were engine compartment plus 1 axle, side and back of truck plus 1 axle, connections and trailer plus 1 axle, external light check, and the in-cab inspection and brake check examination. Now remember, the instructor can start or finish with any one of these in any particular order. Today then, we're going to be concentrating on part 4, which is external light check examination. And this is known by our instructors as lights, leaks, and leans. So working from the top down, let's start with the clearance lights. Please make sure that they are clean, clear, functional, i.e. that they're working, that they are the correct color, amber, and they are not cracked, broken, or damaged in any way. Windshield, make sure that the windshield has cracks of not more than 1 inch and that it is clean. Wipers, make sure they are securely mounted, the rubber is good, clean, seals intact, and they are functional and they operate smoothly. Grille and registration plate. Please make sure that the grille is clean and the registration plate is visible. Headlights. Clean, not cracked, not broken, correct color, clear, functional. Turn lights. Clean, not cracked, not broken, correct color, amber, functional. Fog lights. Clean, not cracked, not broken, correct color, clear, functional. Mirrors. Mirror brackets are properly secured, the mirrors are correctly positioned, they are clean, and they are not broken or cracked in any way. Leaks. Look for any puddles on the ground, for example, oil, antifreeze, coolant, or indeed any dripping fluid. The same applies under the hood. Leans. Okay, I'm exaggerating it here, but this is a picture. Please make sure, though, that the vehicle is not leaning excessively to one side or the other. For example, this may indicate a suspension problem or a load imbalance. Checklist. Lights. So remember, this section is broken down into 3 sections: lights, leaks, and leans. So the lights, make sure take care of your clearance lights at the top, your headlights, your turn lights, your fog lights at the bottom. Then take care of your mirrors. Most of the 18-wheelers have got 4 mirrors. Make sure that the mirrors are positioned, and make sure that they're clean. Make sure that the supports, the structure that is holding them, is firm and secure. Windshield. Make sure that the windshield does not have cracks of more than 1 inch. Make sure that the wipers, the rubber, the seals are intact, the rubber is good, that they are clean and that they are functional. Leans. This is where the vehicle may be tilting excessively to one side or the other. Please make sure of that. And then leaks, puddles, liquid, fluid spillages, anything there that may be seeping out from under the hood or from under the vehicle. So please check for those things, and then you can be sure that you have got this particular part, which is part 4, lights, leaks and leans in the back. So in the next video, we're going to be going over under the hood, driver's side. This will be part 1, engine compartment plus 1 axle. So please stay tuned for our next lesson. And remember, be sure to like, to subscribe, and to hit the bell for any further notifications from CDL Mentors, Truck Driving School. Okay, so I'm interested. So remember at the beginning of the video, we were telling you about our special offer. This is our courses from $599, and this is the phone number there that you will be calling. So we've got a very, very special offer. Please click the notification icon just above me, and you will find out some more details about our bumper to bumper course. This is a very limited special offer, so please do not delay. Apply today. Type into Google CDL Class A pre-trip special offer. Remember, bumper to bumper courses from $599. Apply online today or contact us at, this is our address, our phone number, our email address, and our website address. We look forward to hearing from you. CDL Mentors, Truck Driving School, Baton Rouge, and Lake Charles, Louisiana.